carefree lovelies. I hope everyone is doing so well and having a great day today. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And well, let's get into today's vlog. So, hold on. To start off, guys, I do want to apologise massively for not vlogging at all. It's just my week has been one hectic week. Well, me and Sophie did go to the gym on Wednesday, and well, we ended up being quite sore from that, and I really was in very bad pain, and obviously I couldn't focus on anything else. So that was really putting me off the vlogs. So that is pretty much why I wasn't vlogging, guys. And I do want to apologise because not like there's been anything interesting, but obviously I know I wanted to vlog my days and obviously what I did in the day, and obviously they were quite different. So I'm just so sorry about that again. So yeah, let's just talk about today. So as you can tell, I'm still in work uniform, but I finished like an hour ago, almost 2 hours ago now. But I have been, you can see, I have wiped that down, done all that. Rabbits have been cleaned out and fed because I did go shopping. I just didn't vlog that bit, guys, I'm so sorry, but the fridge is looking full again. So we've got all the meals for the week, and obviously there's some butters and blah blah, you know. Then I also got, oh yeah, ignore this, guys, I got this in washing up, which I'll show you. And then I got just some, you know, the cupboards are looking a bit empty, but oh, there's those thingies, guys, there. Me and Sophie found them, and oh my god, because the ones on the right, the chocolate ones, they are actually not gluten-free. So Sophie used to eat them before she started her gluten-free diet, but obviously, unfortunately, she had to stop because obviously she started a gluten-free diet. So we were looking, and obviously I was looking for gluten-free ones because Sophie, it would be just sad if Sophie couldn't get them, because I know she likes them as well. So I had to look all the way down, and I found them, but it's like a different brand, which didn't matter because they're the exact same thing. The ones she got was salted caramel and dark chocolate and coconut, because I got those ones as well because I love dark chocolate and coconut. So yeah, that's pretty much an update on everything because not much has been going on except for the weather. Like, my god, guys, the weather has been crazy. Like, we have had 23 degrees of weather for the past 4 days. And today isn't any different. It is really sunny and it is really hot. Hoping I jinx that because I really want rain right now. But yeah, had a great sunny week. I don't know if anyone saw the Northern Lights literally Friday night? Yeah, Friday night. Let me know if you did. And yeah, let me know what they were like because I could not see them because I had work. Well, actually, I didn't actually go to work on Friday or Saturday because of obviously the pain, but I didn't actually do anything, so I didn't want to vlog because obviously, guys, I don't want you to be bored with the vlogs and just think, oh, she's doing the same thing every day, so I just didn't want it. So that's that, guys. So I'm going to do this washing up and I'll probably get dressed afterwards. So I'm going to wash up and then I'll speed it up like we always do. And well, I'll get to talking to you guys about what's coming up. So, I'll see you in a minute. It's too dirty, too dirty. Unfortunately, I have to admit, this is actually like washing up from 2 days ago, I think. I know it sounds disgusting, but I generally have not been able to do it, and Carl has been at work, so I didn't want to get him to do it because obviously he's tired. So it's kind of just been sitting here, and I know it's going to be disgusting to you guys, but I promise you this is the only time I've ever done this, and I just did not feel like doing it at all, guys. Like, I was in the worst mood ever, and it doesn't help that I'm actually on my period now. So yeah, that's adding on to it. So right guys, it is almost full, so I'm going to continue and speed it up. See you in a minute. So now absolutely clean, which oh my god, I'm so happy to see, because this was disgusting. Like, ugh. So I'm just gonna put you guys here for a minute while I exit to the kitchen, because we still don't have a stair gate for the rabbits, unfortunately. Still have that same thing. That needs to go in the bin. Just a few things that need to go in the bin, guys. Give me a second. And there we go. The kitchen is now closed for the moment. Oh guys, I am absolutely tired. So I will just go and get ready, guys, and then I think I'll just decide from there. Anyway, what I wanted to speak to you guys about is obviously next month me and Carl are going to the Hoppins. Oh my god, guys, we are actually so excited because obviously we went last year, but this year I just want to go on every single ride, enjoy myself the best as I possibly can, and oh guys, I can't wait to do the vlogs because I promise you guys now, and Pinky promise it, I know it's cringe, but Pinky promise that I will definitely keep doing the vlogs and do them exactly the days that we go to the Hoppins, and obviously when we're at Newcastle, you know exactly what we do. I got flies all in my flat and it's horrible. So I'm going to try and sort that problem out. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I should be dressed. So guys, it is currently 12:58, so it has been another hour, so it is currently almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't actually sorted out the fly situation yet, but I think I'm getting there. I have been spraying them with like a window cleaner to obviously get them to take it in, go crazy, blah blah, you know, die bare. Because by the time I spray them again, they're going to be like covered in it, and obviously I think I've got like 2 or 3 flies so far, and there's like 3 left. It's really annoying me. But I will sort it eventually. And yes, I have got a crop top on. What I put on. Now guys, it's going. I've obviously cleaned the living room as well. It's good, looks good. But yeah, I'm going on the PlayStation for a bit. And I'm going to go and get an ice lol in a minute, because I did buy some for me and Carl. Because I know there's these ones, they're called milk lollies. I feel like a lot of people in the UK will know what they are. I don't really know if anyone else has them. Like, you guys let me know if you have milk lollies where you live. Obviously, I will show you guys and then you can let me know. Which, they're really good. I love the fruit ones as well. So I think I'm going to have a fruit one for now. So while Sims loads. Oh god, my stomach, guys. I've also got a bit of sister brought, which she had half and half. So I've had a little bit of it so far. And oh my god. If you guys have an Aldi's near you, you really need to go and get their Rocky Road. It is so good. It's specially selected ones, so. So these are the ones I'm having. It is Bit Lolly that has obviously fruit juice out of the outside, and then you have cream in the middle. Wait, hold on, guys. So I've got those ones, and then we've got these ones, milk lollies. I feel like a lot of people probably have seen these and have had them. Like, I absolutely love the strawberry and milk one. They're so good. And yeah, so I'm going to have one of these though. I love the strawberry ones and the blackcurrant. Pineapple ain't too bad, but I like these two. So I'm going to have one of those. Guys, I'll freeze it out again. Right. Get one of these yet. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna have a strawberry one, guys. This is gonna be so good. Because of how hot it is as well, like, ugh. I will be making myself some food in a minute because there is some ham that needs using up, so I want some cucumber, so I might have a ham and cucumber sandwich, guys. But for now, I think what I'm going to do, have my ice lolly and play a bit of Sims. So, nothing interesting about that, guys, so I'll probably get back to you in a little bit when I'm probably doing something else. Oh, I also have something to show you later, guys, so keep an eye out. Obviously, if you're watching the vlog, keep watching. Okay, see you in a minute. So guys, it's time for me to make some food because I'm hungry and it is currently 2:40, which means it has been about another hour since we talked. So I'm going to pop in to the kitchen, where these wires are laying about because they got the fan on them, sort of. They get treated like royalty, I tell you guys, I'm telling you. Lies. Right guys, I'm going to make myself a ham and cucumber sandwich because probably cheese as well because I've got to use up the rest of the other cheese I have. So ham, cheese and cucumber. Let's use the chopping board. I hope everyone is having a good day though and if you guys are in the UK, I hope you're enjoying the sun. I can't speak. Enjoying the sun. And if you're going swimming, if you're abroad, anywhere, you guys, I hope you're enjoying. Oh. Oops, I forgot the cucumber. Oh, sorry guys. I promise to you guys now that I am trying my best to obviously make these vlogs, but it's just life gets in the way. I'm gonna get some bread now guys and I'll do a sandwich. I think leading up to leading up to June, the half terms, there isn't actually much going on anyway guys, so it is going to be the vlogs like normal, but like I keep saying that I'll try my best to make them as interesting as possible, or try and add something new in, and yeah, guess you gotta look out for that. I think a flight just flew on me.
Get rid of the frozen crap and acquaint himself and his team with the great local food on offer.
Oh my god, I almost got it.
When was the last time you had it? Seriously now, last year. Steve, you situated just 100 metres around the harbour, Capbreton's fishermen sell their catch twice.
What is everyone's favourite sandwich for them? Because I can say mine's definitely like it's got lettuce, cucumber and salad cream in. Oh, I used to have that all the time when I was, I think I've mentioned it before, but like just that sandwich is like so good. Steven. Orange. Oh, I'm gonna have an orange too.
Seaplane speak French, which is the classic expat scenario. Couldn't make an effort with these guys.
I'm gonna have an orange because I did buy some guys. I bought these big ones right here. Oh Jesus Christ! I'm gonna have one of those. I'm gonna cut it in half and eat it the way I do. Do you guys like eat it the normal way? Like, so obviously you peel it and then you always take the little bits off, or do you cut it in the middle? Like, I'd like to know if anyone else does that, because I don't want to be alone. Because that's what I do. I literally like just cut it down the middle and I eat it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So I'd grab a half, I'd just go like that, you know. I'll show you anyway, guys. I want this. This one is okay until tomorrow. I have brought some more, but this one needs using up. So I'm thinking, ooh, that bit slimy. Yeah, I'm not using that bit, guys. It's quite slimy.
There's no doubt Steve lost his mojo under Tim's suffocating regime. But now,
there's still quite a few like pieces of ham left in here.
And into the menu. Generous with a garnish. Always generous with garnish. To inspire Steve and Stewie to create their own dishes, I cooked a line called dorade on a bed of green beans and pepperade. Your ham.
I might have another sandwich tomorrow, then by that time it should all be used up.
It's on your doorstep. This business is only going to survive if you start embracing what's happening locally.
Alright, cheese, we're going to cut that up.
Work on this special. Let's go. On tonight's menu, Steve and Stewie have created their own specials that capture French flavour and should reel in the punters. Steve's chosen to cook sole with green beans and lentils. It just looks like it's fitting with the pot, right? While Stewie's cooked a curry.
I still need to get a cheese slicer, guys, so if you have any like recommendations of where I can get one. Because I've looked literally in every shop and it seems like you can't just buy it from a shop. It's really weird. But I've obviously looked online. I know I can get it online. So I think I'm just thinking buy one online, but if you guys have any specific shops that I can go to buy one, let me know. Bonjour, monsieur. I've got that bit there. I'm going to just eat it, guys. Might have it with a bit of cucumber. I'm glad I cleaned up the kitchen though, because I would have just been stressed all day and obviously upset and just not in the mood to do anything. So yeah, I'm kind of glad. Does anyone else snack on cucumber? Because like cucumber is so good. I haven't tried it, but apparently if you put sugar on cucumber it tastes like watermelon. Let me know, guys, if you think that's true, or if you've tried it. I'm gonna make a little sandwich with the cucumber and cheese. I've just done that. Doesn't really taste any different. Guys, I really want to show you Pika. Go, she had flopped, so she's on her side. She looks so cute when she does that. Buddy's chilling behind the letterbox for some reason. I think I'm gonna leave this cucumber here. for tomorrow.
Tonight's service
So I can make another sandwich.
so why is the owner sulking?
A little lost lamb. Oh, also guys, I did play Sims for a bit, but I stopped because I got bored. Like sometimes I enjoy playing it, but then some days I'll be like, oh yeah, I want to play it, but I don't play it. As long as I thought I would, because I'm either bored or I just can't bother. So I started watching Amazon Prime, or Prime Video, and I was just looking obviously to see what I could watch. I was obviously I'm recently watching Two Broke Girls, which is really good. I love that. But I'm currently watching the British version of Gordon, you know, the Kitchen Nightmares, that's it.
I'm in France, the country that
But it's like British people who have like businesses abroad. So I think I am gonna add a bit of sauce to this, guys. If we have any ketchup left. Oh, we do. Ketchup. Oh, I'm gonna have to get some more though.
What's more important, that restaurant's future or the family togetherness at this stage? You need to stand up to Tim and you've got to stop bullshitting yourself, the young chefs behind you, and stop going along with it. Because it's not Tim. That's the issue I've got.
I'm so sorry guys, you're just seeing literally like the bottom half of my boobs. I wanted to show you these. So this one is a double chocolate one. They're really good on. I've had these ones before. These are the ones that got me into them. But then I noticed these ones which were obviously gluten free. They're called Bliss Whip Bars. So if any of my followers are gluten free, really check these out because they haven't got any chocolate ones, I don't think. But we found these in Home Bargains. But this one is dark chocolate and coconut, and I'm gonna have another one, because oh my god, guys, it is so good. But I thought I'd let you have a look at those. And obviously, I want to help as many people as possible. If you guys are like watching my content because you're gluten free, and obviously you see Sophie on the vlogs. Obviously you can always ask questions, because I know Sophie has been doing it now for a good 2 months, I want to say, so she does know certain things. Obviously you can always talk to her because she's always open to talking to people. She just loves talking to people about the same situation that she's in, because then she knows she's not alone. And I think it's good, so just, you know, put a comment down below, guys, if you are gluten free, and yeah, I'll just see if Soph wants to contact you, and we'll see go from there. So I'm actually thirsty, guys, so I think I'm gonna have a bit of the orange and mango juice that I brought, which is this here. Honestly, I had a massive gulp of it when I come home, because I was so thirsty and it was like so hot. And oh my god, it is actually the best thing ever. Problem is, I think it's gonna go too quickly, so I might just get myself another one tomorrow. But at least if I know Carl likes this, then I'll probably just get 3 of them when I get paid. Like when we do our big shop, I'll just buy 3 of those, because I know that we'll like it. They didn't have the tropical in again, and it kind of peed me off, because obviously me and Carl love the tropical.
For me, Tim's a trick. He's half control freak and half worried about staff coming up with better ideas than he's got in his mind.
Oh yeah, that's good. I mean, if you love orange and mango, it's great together.
I'm impressed. Unhindered by Tim, the team have delivered. I just hope you can see the potential. Two covers, please. This place looks fucking empty. Welcome. Just have a little look at that.
Just gonna put everything on the plate.
I do like the look of this. I've fucking been trying to get to do tempura on a fish for ages. I'm fired up now, Gordon. I'm fired up.
And then obviously my orange, I'm gonna cut in half.
Okay.
I'm fired up. So what you're here doing?
So what I do, guys, is I literally just cut it in half like that, as you can see. And with these bits, I just kind of like soak it out.
Despite the team's best efforts,
So.
Tim seems agitated.
Oh, I did want to take the seeds out because I'm planning to plant a orange tree. So I'll have to keep you guys updated on that, definitely. So what I'm going to do is obviously dry out the seeds and then obviously plant them and hope that it stays. I'm just going to put this over here, guys, and I'll be back for you in a minute. Give me a second. Oh, sorry, T.
I'm telling you, don't go behind the fucking bar. You're behind the bar every fucking day, standing behind the bar. I don't want to see you and your fucking scruffy lungs behind the bar.
Ta-da! I'm back. So, guys, obviously that is my past midday snack. And this looking like I got me dark chocolate and coconut bar, my sandwich which has cheese, ham and cucumber with red sauce, and then a good old orange with orange and mango juice and a bit of Gordon Ramsay. I will talk to you in a bit when I'm finished, and I don't know what I'll be doing, but we'll see. So in a bit, alligator. What's up, guys? So it is now literally almost 9 o'clock. Carl is home. We're currently watching just some like videos, funny videos, and I decided that I was gonna do ramen for dinner. And as you see, Carl is studying. Finished mine. It was very good. I haven't really eaten today. I had a sandwich earlier. Cheese up the cucumber. Well, the cheese. Oh. Sorry, guys. It's just the TV's gonna turn off. So you gotta click a button. Hello, you two. They chilling. So, right, guys, this is pretty much gonna be the end of the vlog because I ain't got nothing else to do except have a shower and then head to bed because I have work once again tomorrow. Sucks. Me and Carl are gonna have an ice lol. We'll think I'm gonna have a milk one with them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. And what I want to say is, adios.